finna get it out the mud. 901. Yes, sir. You ain't getting up that dog. Jesus Christ, we can't even get on the trails. Another great day at the Hatchie Bottoms. Today is Saturday, August, right? September, what is it? April 30th. April 30th, baby. Finally been able to get out here and do some riding. Took a break from the housework. Got a nice little crew out here today. All good people, man, all good people. Already getting stuck at the front, very front of the Hatchie. Damn, that was fun. Got the side-by-sides out today. Got one half of the Huey boys, 662, get it out the mud. I got some side-by-sides with me today. Rock her to sleep, Bo. Four-wheel drive ain't working. There you go. Oh, shit! No! It never fails. You ain't got your phone in your pocket, do you? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Shit! There you go, baby. Hey, you gotta get your damn feet out the mud. Look, she damn stuck. Pull it on up. Look at her. Hey, Nick. to get off of it and help out.
He's just chilling on
Get your ass off of it. Come on, grab it. Talking about, let's go. Look what's on his damn feet. That's why he can't get out the hole, them damn crocs. What'd he say? He's getting through it. Don't do it. Don't you tear it up right here. Back it on out, bubba. Back it on out. Baby. He tried. He tried. Don't tear it up, bubba.
We at least gonna get it out the mud.
We gonna get it out the mud. He might not get through it, but damn it, we gonna get him out of it. Gotta get his revenge. The transmission hole. Oh, it took him out last time. He gonna walk it. It's a bad one, bro. Hey, winch out before, you know what to do. I ain't gonna tell you what to do. He trying to get that revenge on the transmission hole. It's bad, dude. That ass is something. Look at him. Look at him. Ain't no bottom. Hey, my boy tried. He's playing it smart. He ain't gonna tear it up this time. He ain't gonna tear it up. Last time he got him. Y'all go look it up, Hatchie wins. I'm gonna post it right here. He tried to defend, but not this time, baby. You ain't gonna win today. There you go, baby. There you go. Get that son of a out the mud, boy. There you go. Get it out the mud, boy. Get it out the mud, boy. I knocked my whole mirror off. I knocked my whole damn mirror off. Rough, dude. I like not getting through it. I knocked my whole mirror off. Look at that tree. I took the whole piece of tree out. He backed out of it. some bullshit. Well, damn. The Ranger has been through some shit. She's still going strong, baby. Ow. That was a rough ass hole back there. 2 of them back to back. Sucked me right in. Hatchie, baby. Saturday. We own it. At the Water Road. Already been a great ride.
That's the first time I've ever been thrown out.
Yeah, I throwed Vanessa smooth out today. Throwed her smooth out, I mean on her butt.
Really glad I survived ibuprofen.
Damn good ride today. We ain't done, baby. We are not done.
Get me out of my ass.
Yep. Throwed you right out on it. Woo, I had old girl damn near on her back today. I had Christine damn near on her back today. Several times, boy. You gotta watch when you stray from your regular path at the Hatchie. I done knocked the A&U TV mirror smooth off today. The mirror is still good, not broke. Just a little bent clip, and I'm gonna fix that clip and put it right back on there. Y'all make sure to check out A&U TV Pro. Get you a set of those mirrors. They're damn near indestructible, but they cannot hold up to a tree. I mean, what can?